Meet Mike, the saddest guy on the water. Mike just sacrificed his favorite lure to the river-lake gods. He had no say in the matter. Why was it his favorite? Take a wild guess. Now Mike is watching a good day go bad. His first fishing day in 2 weeks. He drove here with a glad heart, an open road, and the music as loud as he damn well pleased. Some might wonder how a day that started so right goes so wrong. But Mike's a fisherman. He knows. It's all because of weed and branches and rocks. The place fish love and $10 lures absolutely hate. There's a reason man has spent 90 years trying to patent a device that consistently frees snagged lures. Because anything that puts you in mind of setting fire to dollar bills can't really be called a hobby. So we've had retriever poles and the crazy balancing acts that go with them. We've had hit and miss lure knockers that fray your line and patience in equal measure. And finally, we have Sam. More to the point, Sam has a Hook&Roll, the last lure retriever he or you will ever need. Watch now as Mike's day starts running good again. Sam snaps the Hook&Roll onto Mike's line. Made of aluminum and stainless steel, it contains bearings, so it rolls down the line super fast instead of sliding down it, causing friction damage. Fast enough to penetrate all but the thickest vegetation. A hook inside it engages the lure clip, and the impact alone will often unsnag the lure. All Sam needs to do now is bring it home using the Hook&Roll's own reel. It's full of heavy-duty braided line, so if he has to pull hard to free the lure, that line takes a strain, not Mike's rod tip. There's 30 meters of the stuff on there too. The hard-to-reach lure category just got much narrower. Mike is reunited with his favorite. He is no longer the saddest man on the water. With a tensile strength of over 150 kilos, the Hook&Roll lets you apply all the brute force you need to free that lure. And you're pulling on the comfortable palm-size reel, not shredding your hands pulling fishing line. You don't have to be directly above the snag either. The Hook&Roll works at shallow angles too, so it's perfect whether you're on a boat or on the shore. At 150 grams, it's easily stored in your pocket, and there's a clip that comes with it so you can hang it on your vest. Designed by fishermen for fishermen, it also comes with a set of lure clips and a maintenance tool. By the time it's brought so many lures back from the dead, it's paid for itself. How many fishing tools can you say that about? Hook&Roll Lure Retriever. Start fishing with confidence.